This is Ashley with Bema Texas, and we're going to show you how to use the memorial template. So if you go ahead, when you first open it up, it will look something like this, and you will say use template for design. Once this opens up, you will have access to over 12 different designs so that you can use to customize. For you to customize this design with your own photo, simply go to the Uploads tab, simply click Upload Files, find where your photo is located on your computer. Ours is located in the Downloads folder. We're just going to take that photo, open it up, and there are two ways you can add it. The first one will be just to click the file, then right click and say replace background. This will replace the background with your photo. The second way to do this is to simply drag and drop your photo over. So drag your photo over and drop it in, and it will replace it as the background. Next, if you want to change the text, say you want to say grandma here instead, you would simply right click, double click where you see it says daddy and say grandma, grandpa, mama, sister, brother, the name of the individual, and put that here, and it will change it. The rest of the items can be customized as well, but you will have to do a little bit of changing in order for you to get access to do that. But that is how you easily customize our file. All you have to do is just add the photo, change the text, and then you are ready to go. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us.